we are now here on the Arambol beach and just look at the crowd. It's a Tuesday today and there are so many people here at the moment, and currently the time is around 4:45. Okay, and this is the situation here. So we've just reached and we are not exactly in the main area of the beach, a bit away. So let's go walking towards the main area of the beach now. So on the right side you all can see there are like a few shacks here, and the beach beds and all have been put up, and people are like resting at the moment because the sun is still quite high. Okay, and there's time for sunset, and because of that, okay, and here you all have some kayaking as well. So you all can do some kayaking here at the Arambol beach. And walking now, here we are at the main area of the beach. So the Arambol beach is very popular amongst tourists because it attracts the most number of international tourists. Okay, and you all can see as well. But what I am saying is that it's nothing like that. Like the crowd is all mixed. You have Indian as well as the international tourists over here. Okay, equal numbers. So you can see some tourists enjoying here on the beach with their music. So we are now walking a bit more ahead of the beach, okay, and I'll just show you all a bit, zoom out. There in the distance is the end of the beach, okay, and as you all come walking towards the end, you all will get to see like on the ends you'll find many international tourists here, okay, and well, talking about the vibe here, it's lively even on a weekday. So I'm now showing all the shacks here from a bit closer. Okay, so you all can see there are these beach bed sittings here. Okay, sorry, not beach bed, but there are just chairs and tables put up. There are no beach beds here at the area. Okay, and all are empty. Okay, not just a few people sitting in here. Otherwise, mostly it's all empty only. Okay, so now we are going back, like I mean walking towards the main area now. So like just look at the sand here, it's so white and like so clean. Okay, not at all dirty, and it's been frequently cleaned as well. Like when we came we saw many ladies, they were like removing the beer cans and cold drink cans and all. So it's a tourist duty to like not litter the place. Okay, you all are coming to enjoy. Okay, keep it the way it was before only, like don't litter it. And here we are already reached here at the end, and from there you all have to walk, and then you all have to go towards the Sweet Lake, the Arambol Sweet Lake. Okay, the way is from here only. So not sure yet if I'll go or no, but let's see. So here on the Arambol beach you also have this Goa Surf School. Okay, they have mentioned their contact details over here, and they like also kayaking and all, and here is the charges. Okay, and they are also doing some kayaking there in the water, you can see. So if you all are interested, you all can like definitely like contact them. This is their number. अपन चले। So we are now going towards, you see those buildings there, we are going there, and that's the way for the Sweet Lake as well. You know, there is like some market, like shopping market over there, so I'll show that market to you all. And now we are going there only, and you can see there that we are almost here at the end of this beach. And here you all can see that there are many beach beds and all kept. Okay, so there are many over here. So just look at how beautiful these beach beds are looking. So there are mixed, like there are beach beds and also sitting arrangements and all done, and nice music also playing in the shacks. And in the shacks majority are the international crowd only. So there in the distance you all can see those are like some beach facing, you know, rooms and cottages over there, and all these are like that only, beach facing cottages. So that was the main area of the Arambul beach, and walking from there, here we are now at the end. Okay, and from here only you have the steps to go to the Sweet Lake, and then there's this whole market area over there. Okay, so now we are going there. So you see there are such shops and cafes here in this, on this road. So we were now just going to the Sweet Lake, okay, and we are here at this spot from where we are getting this whole view of the, you know, Arambul beach. You can see it's so pretty, and look at how nice the water and all is looking. And here at the end you can see that it's all rocky portion. Okay, so this is how the end is, all rocky. So this whole lane is like this only. Okay, all shopping and cafes and all, nice cafes with good view of the whole Arambul beach. And here you also have some guest houses and tattoo studios. We were on our way and we have not yet reached because we are still busy shopping. So we just found this one shop, and we are soon going to be going on a trip. So because of that we need some change in our fashion. So we are here buying some clothes. Okay, and then we'll go to the lake. So now going back to the Sweet Lake, done shopping, took some clothes.
नन्ही सी चाल में पंखों सी बात है, बादल पे है कदम इनके, ख्वाबों की चाक पे हिरनों से दौड़ते, चंचल ये कब कहाँ ठहरे, सौंधी सौंधी खाक सी बर्फियों की फाक सी, नाजुक और मीठी है ये मुस्कुराहटें, सपने देखने दो, मन की आंखें सेकने दो, हल्की हल्की आँच दो ना जरा, दिल को भी अब खोलने दो.
So the things here, like the clothes and all, like they literally have good collection. Okay, like compared to the things you'll get on the other beaches, the ones here are like really nice.
खुल के बातें बोलने दो, महकी महकी आस दो ना जरा.
This whole market is like a never-ending one. There's so many shops here inside. Just look at the beautiful sunset happening behind me. It's like so beautiful. Like, just look at how pretty it is. Of all the sunsets that I've seen so far, this is so far the best. Okay, I mean, like, just look at the whole view. It's all rocky and the sun setting there and complete calmness here. Okay, and well, it's really the most beautiful beach as well. Okay, I'm talking about the beauty of the beach. Okay, not like crowd and all. Beauty. It's really a beautiful beach, the Arambol beach. So good, beautiful sunset happening right there. We're still not reached the Sweet Lake. We are still on our way. We are stopping a lot on our way to the beach, because like to the Sweet Lake, like checking out the things. Like they have so nice and interesting stuff on this whole market area, like till the Sweet Lake. So because of that we are getting late, and I think by the time we'll even reach this Sweet Lake, the sun is going to set completely. So anyway, we are like getting good views of the sunset on our way as well, so not an issue. So let's continue to go to the Sweet Lake. So we are now on this other side of the Arambol beach. Like after crossing that cliff, like that whole shopping area and all, you will reach here, and there's a small beach area over here only. So some people call this, you know, like a private beach and all that, where you only get to see the international tourists. Okay, but that's just for saying. Okay, so here also you all have this one shack. Okay, it's some lake view. Okay, I love Lakeview is the name of the shack. Okay, some nice Indian music playing, and well, this is how it is. And right here on the right hand side is the Sweet Lake, so we are going there now. So this here is the Arambol Sweet Lake. Okay, and the sun there is like almost gone. Like half is gone, half is still there. And this is the whole view of this beach. Tiny little beach. So here people are like just sitting and chilling, not doing much. So that is there. So now we are going towards the Sweet Lake. Okay, so from the access to the lake is from the beach only, and this side of this beach is like really dirty. Okay, like there is a lot of trash here. You can see so many beer bottles and cardboards and all. So this where you'll see is the entrance to the Sweet Lake. On the other side is the Sweet Lake, and this what you'll see is also a part of the Sweet Lake only. So let's go and check out the hype about the Sweet Lake now. सूरज बेचने चप्पे चप्पे गूंजती इनकी खिलकारियां थोड़े सपने देखने दो मन की आंखें सेकने दो हल्की हल्की आँच दो ना जरा दिल को भी अब खोलने दो खुल के बातें बोलने दो महकी महकी आस दो ना जरा So this here is the popular Arambol Sweet Lake over here, and because sunset there are not like many people, just a few here. And this is the whole lake amongst these two small cliffs, not cliffs, like two small hills here, surrounded by all greenery. And this is the whole lake till there. Okay, and there in the distance we have some cottages like which are facing the lake. So it's a beautiful lake if like there is not much crowd here. Okay, and here there is this one small shack also, but it's closed, and these are the beach beds of that shack. Okay, so when we reached here they were like closing it, and like they kept their beach beds this way. So that is there. So now we are going back to the main Arambol beach. Okay, and by the time we'll reach there it will become a bit dark, and while going back I'm not recording much. And another thing is that I'm not recording much because while coming I showed you all the whole market area, and now while going back we are going from the same area only. So
नन्ही सी चाल में पंखों सी बात है, बादल पे है कदम इनके, ख्वाबों की चाक पे हिरनों से दौड़ते, चंचल ये कब कहाँ ठहरे। सौंधी सौंधी खाक सी, बर्फियों की फाक सी, नाजुक और मीठी है ये मुस्कुराहटें। थोड़े सपने देखने दो, मन की आंखें सेकने दो, हल्की हल्की आँच दो ना जरा, दिल को भी अब खोलने।
So this here was that whole shopping area which I was showing you all when we were going to the Sweet Lake. And now at night look how beautifully lit it has become. And we have crossed all that, and now we are on the Arambol beach. And the rush here has decreased, and now we are going to the main area. There in the distance is the main area where you all can see the lights and all. Okay, so let's go towards the main area now.
हो रंगी से ये बुलबुले, थोड़े से है चुलबुले, पल पल करते अटखेलियां।
So in the shacks all live music has started now. Okay, some shacks are having live music bands, then some shacks they are like just playing some electronic music, and you can see.
हो मस्तियों में घूमते, अपनी धुन पे झूमते, आंखों में लिए नादानियां, किरणों को ले जेब में, निकले सूरज बेचने।
So it's 8 p.m. at the moment, and the beach is like all empty. Okay, so it's complete opposite of when I had come. Like in the evening when I came there was like a lot of crowd. Now the beach is like quite calm. Okay, and people are like chilling in the shacks, okay, having their dinner in peace. So that is there. And just look how beautiful all these shacks have been decorated, and they are looking. Literally every shack here is decorated differently. So it's really nice to see everything here on the Arambol beach. So on the Arambol beach at night, you all must have seen in many videos that there are like that fire show and all happening on the beach. Okay, and people passerby can just watch it for free. Well, so at like when the shows take place at the beach, like at that time we were at the Sweet Lake, so we missed all that. Okay, and because of that I could not even record it in my video. So well, we are now going back to where we had parked our car. Okay, so just see, like at this time the beach is like completely empty, Just a few people are there here on the beach in the shacks. So we have come here on a weekday, and because of that only the beach is empty. If you'll come here on a weekend, you'll find literally a lot of crowd. Okay, see, just see, like it's quite empty. Few people are there. So we had parked our car somewhere a bit away from the main parking area, and now we are going there only. So we are now going back from the Arambol beach, and this here is the whole Arambol beach road, and this here are the like shops around it. Okay, so I think better than this, the market which was on the Arambol beach, it was better. So that was all the market area of the Arambol beach road.